So I finished this a little while ago, but then I found this piece here. So this kit comes with that plug-in, but originally I just had it wired in, but then I saw that I had one of these. I know, right? Who has one of these? I do, this guy. And I was like, cool, I'm gonna put it together because that seems like the right thing to do, right? Maybe. So here's my 12 volt transformer that I got. Here is the whole kit put together. Unfortunately, if you look in there, there's no spacers between those screws. And I cracked it twice. Cracked it there. And a little baby crack there. So if I was smarter, I would have put spacers. Some kind of spacers there to keep that from cracking. And then, as if that wasn't enough, I cracked it again. Right up top there by the switch. By pressing down on it to make it all fit together. So, a little fragile. If you get the reference, cool. If not, whatever. But let's plug it in, turn on the light, and it's gonna be hard to do one-handed here. Stare at that tube for a second. Ugh. All right, let me turn out this. All right, and action. So I actually don't have the other part that I need. That's going to be the power transformer. So I have no way to test this thing out sound-wise. But, I mean, visually, there you can see the tube's glowing. And it's glowing with some cool LED lights. Oh, yeah. Awesome.